Welcome to the first part of our series on the history and evolution of cloud computing. Today, we'll explore the origins of cloud computing, starting with the roots of shared networks and distributed computing, and working up to the big leaps of the late 20th century. Before cloud computing became what we know today, computing was a very different story. Back in the 1950s and 60s, computers were rare, powerful machines often used for specific tasks. They were huge, costly, and highly specialized. In fact, many companies and universities invested in time sharing on mainframes. By sharing resources, multiple users could access the same computer at different times, creating a basic form of resource distribution. Fast forward to the 1970s, when the concept of networking was evolving. ARPANET, the predecessor of the modern Internet, showed the possibilities of connecting computers across distances. With the birth of the Internet in the late 1980s, networks became global, and new possibilities emerged for sharing and managing data and resources. In the 1990s, virtualization became a pivotal step in cloud computing's development. Companies began to realize they could partition a single computer into multiple virtual environments, each acting as if it were a separate machine. Virtualization laid the groundwork for the cloud, as we began to see the value in distributing resources efficiently. In the early 2000s, we saw the launch of major cloud computing services like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. This marked the official transition from localized networks to scalable, remote storage and computing resources, creating new opportunities for businesses worldwide. As cloud computing evolved, managing multiple accounts became crucial for many users and businesses. That's where tools like GoLogin come into play. GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting. This tool allows users to manage various accounts securely and efficiently, a vital feature for those navigating the multi-account world created by cloud services. With GoLogin, users have a seamless way to handle multiple profiles with different IP addresses, maintaining security across their accounts. This is just one example of how tools are evolving alongside cloud computing. As we moved into the 2000s, the need for scalable, accessible storage and computing power led to the creation of cloud storage solutions. Companies like Google and Dropbox introduced cloud storage and online applications, changing how we store, access, and share information. Suddenly, users no longer needed to rely solely on physical storage. Cloud storage allowed for immediate, seamless access to files from any location, making collaboration across distances easier than ever before. This brings us to the end of Part 1. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the growth of cloud computing in Part 2, including new advancements and essential tools for today's cloud-powered world. See you soon.